YouTube channel. I'm Teresa Kariuki. Please subscribe and may God bless you. Today we are going to study about land purchasing process. Land purchasing process. What is the process of buying land in Kenya? Do you know how to do due diligence before you buy or you purchase your land in Kenya? Here are steps. Step 1. First step, go to the site visit. Go for the site visit. Maybe it is on Friday or Saturday. Go for site visit, see the land, see the location, see how the land are, see whether there is beacons, all these sort of things. Yes, after going for site visit, when you come back, go back there and meet the neighbors. Ask the neighbors, who is the real owner of this land? Are they the real owner of this land? Because the seller can hide you, or the information that the seller was hiding from you, you are able to know. Yes, that is first step. Go for site visit. Step 2. Ask for the title deed from the company or from the owner. Ask for the title deed of the owner. Go to the Ministry of the Land and do land search. Yes, that is step 2. Go to the Ministry of Land and with the title deed, then do land search. This is the first document that you'll be having. Yes, the land search, it will show who is the real owner of that land. Yes, who is the real owner of this land. If it's for that person, it will be written on that search. Yes, whether there is restriction or cautions, all these things. Yes, you will be there. If there is restriction, you will not buy. Yes. Then on the same juncture, ask for the green card from the land registry. First search, you can do a special search with the 3,000 for the latest in 2025, or that come out within a day, or you do for that one for 1,000, that will come out within maybe a week. Then ask for the green card. The green card is it is a green paper which contains the history of that land, from the mother, who was the first person, who was the second, until now you are the purchaser. Yes, the green card, it will show you the history of that land. Make sure you do this search at the green card search with your lawyer privately, without them knowing. Yes, you are doing your due diligence. Step 3, ask for the mutation. Mutation it shows the division of this land. It shows how this land is divided. It is divided at the actual location of this land. Yes, mutation, it will show how the land is divided from the mother title. Yes, that is step 3. Step 4, then find something called RIM, Registry Index Map. It shows all neighboring land, location of the land. Yes, it is a map you get from the Ministry of Land, where it shows all the neighbors at the actual location of the land. Yes, it can be faked, and you did a search and it is from another location. Yes, so go and get Registry Index Map. Yes, after finishing this, that is step 4, take the seller ID or passport. If it is the company, ask for certificate of incorporation. Go and confirm the registration of persons or registration of company. Yes, it shows that they are registered. They are not fake people. From there, agree the price, because or from the first time you can give them you need to deposit, maybe 10% of the deposit. It is, if it is, for example, 200, it is costing 200,000, you can give them 20,000, which you will be able to have the able, now they know you are serious and you are in the process of buying of the or purchasing your selection of plot or land. Yes. Step 5, affidavit. Affidavit from the board of the company. Yes, affidavit from board of the company saying that they are aware that this land is being sold and they have all agreed. That is affidavit of the board of the company. Yes, you have to have that affidavit whereby your lawyer is, you are doing it in the presence of your lawyer. Another thing, step 5, sale agreement form. Sale agreement form. This is essential thing. If you don't have a sale agreement form, what are you agreeing with your seller? Sale agreement form, it is the very vital thing you are supposed to have. It contains the information about selling and buying, whereby the seller duly sign in the presence of his lawyer, and you duly sign on your presence of your lawyer. Yes, so that it is a complete agreement. Make sure it have, if it is a company, it have a company stamp, things like that. Yes. After you have gotten your sale agreement form, then proceed to Land Control Board, LCB, with the help of your surveyor, or you can go directly to those offices. They will give you consent to proceed or give full payment now. Yes, after you are given the consent, then you can pay full amount. Yes, from there you are done with everything. You are waiting for your title deed. You are, yes, for waiting for your title deed. Then you give the consent form, duly signed transfer, affidavit of the titles, passport, and the ID copies, then KRA PIN, certificate of the seller. Yes, you give these things, all these things, and then you get your title deed. Please subscribe to know and get a lot of information about this.